Now let us learn the first phylum, that is Phylum Porifera. Phylum Porifera, what is the level of organization? It is nothing but cellular level of organization. That means the body is made up of loose aggregates of cells. And about symmetry, we have already studied that it is not having a symmetry. That means they are asymmetrical, and very few they are having radial symmetry. And they lack a germ layers in the embryo. So they do not have any germ layers, neither ectoderm, mesoderm or endoderm. And about their coelom, they do not have a coelom. The case of coelom, they do not have a coelom, so they are called as acoelomate. About the habit and habitat, they are aquatic. Most of them are marine. And they are sedentary, that means they cannot move. They are attached to some substratum. Either they are solitary, that means they are singly appeared, or they can be seen in colonies or groups. About the digestive system, a proper digestive system is absent, and digestion is intracellular, that is, it is taking place inside the cells, that means inside the food vacuoles. So intracellular digestion is seen in Phylum Porifera, and respiratory system is also absent, circulatory system is also absent in the case of Porifera. What about their reproduction? It can be either asexual and sexual. Asexual is nothing but by means of fragmentation. That means the body divides into fragment, and each fragment develops into an adult. And they are hermaphrodites. What do you mean by hermaphrodites? The male and the female sex organs are present on a single individual. That means the male and female sex organs are present on a single individual. So such bodies are called as hermaphrodites. And fertilization is taking place internal. So such fertilization is called as internal fertilization. And development is indirect. What do you mean development is indirect? That means such organisms have a larval stage in their life. Their life cycle, if there is a larval stage, they are called as indirect development. So the development in Porifera is indirect. Now let us learn about a unique feature which is seen in Phylum Porifera. Poriferans, they have water canal system. Now before studying water canal system, we have to study three parts. We can see many pores on the surface of this Porifera. And these pores are called as ostia. They are called as ostia. And we can see there is a cavity over here. This cavity is called as spongiocele, and an external opening called as osculum. So these are the three parts: ostia, osculum and spongiocele. So the water in which they are living, the water which is used to carry food, then it is helping for gaseous exchange and also for excretion, that is removal of waste. So water enters into the body of the poriferum through the minute pores called as ostia. And this water enters into these through the ostia. It enters into the central cavity called as a spongiocele, and it leaves through the osculum. So water enters through the ostia, then the spongiocele, and then it moves out through the osculum, and the water goes out of their body. And this system is called as the water canal system. The next unique feature of poriferans are that they have a special structure called as spicules and spongin fibers, which help or which give support to their body. We can see the different types of spicules, okay? Different type of spicules which form the spongin fibers, which give support to their body. Now let us comprise about Phylum Porifera. What is the level of organization? It is cellular. The symmetry is, most of them, they do not have a symmetry, so they are asymmetrical, and very few they have radial symmetry. What about the germ layers? It is absent. About the coelom, they are acoelomate. Habit and habitat, most of them are aquatic, and mostly they are seen in marine water. And digestive system, intracellular digestion. The respiratory system is absent, the circulatory system is absent, and reproduction, it can be asexual or sexual, and the body is hermaphrodite, in which the male and female sex organs are seen on the same body, and fertilization is taking place inside the body, so it is called as internal fertilization, and development is indirect because they have a larval stage in their life cycle. And unique feature is the presence of water canal system and support given by spicules and spongin fibers. Examples of poriferans are cycon, spongilla and euspongia. Okay, cycon, spongilla and euspongia. So thus we are finished with the first phylum, that is Phylum Porifera. Thank you.